To fix the Battlefield 6 game not released problem on Steam, just go to your desktop and click the start icon and search for PowerShell and open it as an administrator. After opening PowerShell, you need to type this first command and press enter. The BF6 in the first command is the username and the number next to it is the password. You can set it to whatever you like. Then after you set the account, you need to enter this second command. Take note that the name on the second code must be the same on what you set earlier on the first code so you can avoid error. Now after you set the account, just close the PowerShell and hold Shift key in your keyboard and right click on the Steam icon and then choose Run as Administrator. Enter the username and password that you set earlier on PowerShell and then click OK. Since we log in with the new user, we will need to log into our Steam account again. After logging into your account, you can check whether the Battlefield 6 game not released problem in Steam is solved or not. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.